Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. We all enjoy cake in a variety of flavors, but have you ever tried one made using a simple ingredient which is readily available? Yes, let's try making this peanut butter cake. So into a large bowl, add some peanut butter with room temperature butter and blend it nicely. Add some powdered sugar and blend it again. Once it becomes nicely creamy and changes its color, add 2 eggs one at a time and blend it. Once the eggs are also nicely incorporated, let's add the dry ingredients like all-purpose flour and baking powder. Just give it a mix, add a little bit of milk and mix it. In order to thoroughly mix the butter, flour and milk, you can use the blender. Finally, I'm adding some more milk just to get the perfect cake batter consistency. Now pour the batter into a cake tin lined with parchment paper. Give it a tap to get rid of all the air bubbles and bake this in a 180-degree preheated oven for 30 to 35 minutes. Meanwhile, let's make a cake topping. Into a bowl, add some room temperature butter and peanut butter. Blend it till it becomes creamy. Add some powdered sugar and blend that again. Once it changes its color and becomes slightly fluffy, our topping is ready. Keep that aside and let's check our cake. Our cake is ready, let's unmold it. It got beautiful texture and very soft cake. Cut out the dome part of it and then transfer that onto a cake stand. Add the topping and spread it. The cake can be layered with this topping as well and also used to completely ice the cake. Here I decided to go with a simple version. Now on top of this peanut butter cream, I added some more peanut butter and using a skewer just randomly made some patterns. And that's it. Our cake is ready. Let's cut the cake and see the texture. Look at that, the soft and fluffy cake with peanut butter cream frosting. It's so delicious. So definitely try it out. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot. Watch more interesting recipes from our channel. Thank you.